my channel. I'm Ezinma and I'm a Nigerian mom of 2 living in the UK. On my channel I share videos centered on motherhood, lifestyle, fashion, food, speed cleaning videos, and a whole lot of other kind of content. Yeah, so if that's kind of content that you love watching, do stick around. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly and I would love to have you guys join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share what my kids eat in a day, and yeah, I hope you guys are going to love this video. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. So yeah, let's get into this video. So for breakfast today I'm going to make a smoothie for the kids, and this one is the berry, oat and flaxseed smoothie mix. Yeah, and they're going to have it with some pancakes. So I'm just gonna blend the smoothie and hand it to the kids for breakfast. Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know. I'm just going to hand them this snack. So this one is just prawn crackers with some sweet sauce, like a sweet Chinese sauce, and yogurt. For lunch, the kids are having potato waffles and baked beans. So the kids have asked to eat some burger buns. I'm going to give the kids some sliced brioche burger buns, okay, with some sliced chicken. This one I will just microwave it just to make it hotter. I'm going to slice an avocado. I'll be adding this cheese as well, and then I'm going to add some spinach. Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So So Milan, are you sitting very well? Okay, make sure you hold it like this, okay? So that's hold it good, like firm like that. When you guys finish, you eat your avocado as well. Okay. Good. You like your meals? Alright. So these are the items that I will use for my mac and cheese. I'm going to use fusilli, some milk. This is just whole milk. Some grated mature cheddar cheese. Then I will just add some mixed veggies. So I've got 2 kinds of garlic powder. I've got this one and this one. For this recipe, I'm going to use this one because I'm almost, you know, through with this one. So I'm going to use this garlic powder. This one is the garlic and pepper. But you could add this one if you want, or you could use fresh garlic if you have fresh garlic. I like spicy mac and cheese, so I'm going to also add dried crushed chilies, seasoning cubes. I'm going to add some seasoning cubes, salt, of course, you need some salt. This one is a tablespoon of dry pepper.
I'm glad you guys are enjoying your macaroni and cheese.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notifications so you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. So thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!